My name is Lucas Hammond. I'm a public health studies major at Johns Hopkins University, and I'm part of the public health program here in Cape Town, South Africa. And I'm working at the Langa Bicycle Hub as part of my service learning site. And with CIEE, I take 2 classes, and I come here twice a week to work with the people in Langa. I don't run into anybody. It's been great. I tell everybody my favorite part of the trip is coming here every Tuesday, Thursday, and working with the hub leaders to repair bikes, to work with kids, to teach kids, and connect with the community, teach people about easier ways of transportation and get people mobile in Langa. I could not recommend the CIEE program more. They made it so easy connecting with people in South Africa, getting all the necessary experiences, tourism, while also connecting with actual families. We went to Guguletu and had a family lunch, had great food, great conversations. And we do an excursion about every weekend. We go to Bo-Kaap and take cooking classes. We surf in Muizenberg. So yeah, both the touristy stuff and then also really connecting, learning about the history of South Africa, all the important pieces you need to become a global citizen. I would say be comfortable being vulnerable, be comfortable being laughed at. You grow with these people by experiencing failure. Like my first week, there's a path back here and I totally crashed my bike, and we laughed together and we grew from it together. And those experiences of vulnerability help you fit in. Everybody sees you as fitting in if you struggle with the people here, if you experience hardship with the people here. I think I've always enjoyed teaching, but it's made me think about what I want in my future more. Working with kids, working with communities like Langa to teach and advocate for something important, for easier transportation, for access to transportation, access to medical care, as we're doing with the stretchers. So yeah, working with communities. And I've also, we talk about Ubuntu in class, just being able to connect and see that I am who I am because I have experienced all the people in Langa. They've now become part of who I am, part of my life. And yeah, I'll take that back with me to America.